everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with the diamond painting unboxing for you. Oh, let's see. I see a nice toolkit. This is it's got a white boat with a funnel, a big pink wax, clear pen. Oh, it's a clear sparkly pen with a squishy grip with a single tip and a 3-tip and tweezers. And these are the really nice sharp tweezers with no name on them, so I don't know. Oh, it's by Huacan. And it is a full drill square. Oh, look. They even gave me a little gift, a little heart neck bracelet. Little heart charm on there. Very sweet. Here's the drills. And typical for Huacan, they're all Huacan. They're all in little Ziploc baggies and labeled with the numbers. This one is probably the smallest one I've ever bought on purpose. But I love the design. I just didn't want it huge. I thought it would be a really cute little image to get framed and go on the wall. And still, it's okay. It's 25 by 25, full drill square. There's the image. There are these cute little hearts. I'm sorry. Let me hold it up there so you can see it. See? They're like little gem hearts of different colors. So many colors. In a little tiny 25 by 25, there's 30 colors. And I normally don't buy anything this tiny unless it's teacup kittens. But when I saw it had 30 colors, I was hoping the detail. Look, even this tiny little thing, they put it on a foam roller for me. How sweet. I saw with so many colors that it had to be detailed. And it was such a cute little picture. I'll put the picture up for you. Look at this. They even cut the paper for this tiny little... I like this one. It's very sweet, very quaint. And I was right. There's a ton of detail in that. Look at that. Isn't that going to be cute? Has the grid lines. People are all up in arms. The canvas is good. The symbols are clear. If you want to see it front, look at the detail in that. I think that's going to be adorable. You know, not every diamond painting has to be huge. You can find some. Just, you know, make sure things don't look pixelated and they aren't like grainy little pictures. Look for a lot of detail, a lot of blending, a lot of shading. Hey, if you like my videos, take a minute and hit like. And if you subscribe and hit the bell, you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.